Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of determination letters, a term you might have heard in legal, tax, or business contexts. But what exactly is a determination letter, and why should you care? Whether you're starting a nonprofit, applying for tax-exempt status, or navigating complex regulations, understanding determination letters can be crucial. In this video, we'll break down what these letters are, how they work, and why they matter for organizations and individuals alike. Let's start by defining the basics before moving into real-world examples and practical implications. A determination letter is an official document issued by a government agency, most commonly the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, in the United States. This letter states the agency's decision regarding a specific request or application. For example, when a nonprofit applies for tax-exempt status, the IRS reviews the application and, if approved, sends a determination letter confirming the organization's eligibility. This letter serves as proof of the agency's decision and is often required for legal or financial purposes. Understanding this definition is the foundation for grasping its importance. Determination letters are typically issued by government agencies, with the IRS being the most well-known example. However, other agencies, such as the Department of Labor or state tax authorities, may also issue determination letters in specific contexts. The issuing agency depends on the nature of the request, whether it's related to tax status, employee benefits, or regulatory compliance. Knowing who issues these letters helps you understand where to direct your applications and what to expect during the process. Determination letters are used in a variety of situations. The most common is when a nonprofit organization applies for tax-exempt status under Section 501(c)(3) of the Internal Revenue Code. But that's not the only use. Businesses may request determination letters for retirement plans to ensure compliance with tax laws. Individuals might need them for clarification on specific tax issues. Understanding these common uses can help you recognize when you might need to request a determination letter yourself. Determination letters are more than just paperwork, they're crucial for legal and financial operations. For nonprofits, a determination letter is often required to receive grants or donations as it proves tax-exempt status. For businesses, it can confirm compliance with regulations, reducing the risk of penalties. Individuals may use determination letters to resolve disputes with tax authorities. In short, these letters provide official confirmation that can open doors and protect your interests. One of the most well-known uses of determination letters is in the nonprofit sector. When a new nonprofit organization applies for 501(c)(3) status, the IRS reviews its application and, if approved, issues a determination letter. This letter is essential for the nonprofit to receive tax-deductible donations and qualify for grants. Without it, many funding opportunities would be out of reach. The determination letter essentially acts as the organization's tax-exempt ID card. Businesses that offer retirement plans, such as 401(k)s, often seek determination letters from the IRS. These letters confirm that the plan meets all legal requirements and qualifies for favorable tax treatment. This is important for both employers and employees, as it ensures the plan's compliance and protects against future legal or tax issues. The determination letter provides peace of mind and a clear record of the plan's status. It's not just organizations that benefit from determination letters. Individuals may also request them from the IRS to clarify specific tax issues, such as whether a certain income is taxable or if a deduction is allowed. Having an official determination letter can help resolve disputes and provide clear guidance for future tax filings. It's a valuable tool for anyone facing uncertainty with tax matters. Applying for a determination letter usually involves submitting a formal request or application to the relevant agency. For nonprofits, this means filling out IRS Form 1023 or 1024. For retirement plans, it's Form 5000, 300 or similar. The agency reviews the application, may request additional information, and then issues a determination letter if all requirements are met. The process can take weeks or even months, depending on complexity. A determination letter typically includes the applicant's name, the agency's decision, the effective date, and any specific terms or conditions. For nonprofits, it will state the organization's tax-exempt status and any limitations. For retirement plans, it confirms compliance with tax laws. The letter is usually signed by an authorized official and may include references to relevant laws or regulations. Determination letters carry significant legal weight. They serve as official proof of an agency's decision and can be used in court or during audits. For example, a nonprofit can present its determination letter to prove its tax-exempt status if questioned by donors or authorities. Similarly, businesses can use these letters to demonstrate compliance with retirement plan regulations. This legal recognition is a key reason why determination letters are so valuable. The financial implications of determination letters are substantial. For nonprofits, Having a determination letter is often a prerequisite for receiving grants and large donations. Donors and foundations typically require proof of tax-exempt status before providing funds. For businesses, a determination letter can mean eligibility for tax benefits or avoidance of costly penalties. In both cases, the letter can directly affect an organization's bottom line. A determination letter is generally valid as long as the facts and circumstances on which it was based remain unchanged. For nonprofits, this means continuing to operate within the guidelines of tax-exempt status. For retirement plans, it means maintaining compliance with tax laws. However, if there are significant changes such as a change in organizational structure or plan terms, a new determination letter may be required. It's important to note that determination letters can be revoked if the organization or plan no longer meets the required standards. For example, a nonprofit that fails to operate exclusively for charitable purposes could lose its tax-exempt status. The revocation process involves notification from the agency and may include an opportunity to appeal. Losing a determination letter can have serious legal and financial consequences. If your application for a determination letter is denied, you typically have the right to appeal. The appeals process varies by agency, but usually involves submitting additional information or arguments to support your case. It's important to act quickly and follow the agency's procedures carefully. A successful appeal can result in the issuance of the determination letter you need. Receiving a determination letter is just the beginning. Organizations and individuals must continue to comply with all relevant laws and regulations to maintain the validity of their letter. This may involve annual filings, regular audits, or updates to organizational documents. Staying compliant ensures that your determination letter remains in effect and continues to provide its benefits. For nonprofits, determination letters are often public documents. The IRS requires nonprofits to make their determination letter available for public inspection, along with their application for tax-exempt status. This transparency helps donors and the public verify an organization's legitimacy. Businesses and individuals may not have the same disclosure requirements, but the principle of transparency is still important. If you need a copy of your determination letter, you can usually request one from the issuing agency. Nonprofits can often download a copy from the IRS website or request it by mail. It's important to keep your determination letter in a safe place, as you may need to provide it to donors, grant makers, or regulatory authorities at any time. A typical determination letter will have a formal heading, the applicant's information, a statement of the agency's decision, and any relevant legal references. It may also include instructions for maintaining compliance and contact information for further questions. Reviewing a sample letter can help you understand what to expect when you receive your own. Determination letters often use specific legal and regulatory terms. Common phrases include tax-exempt status, compliance, effective date, and revocation. Understanding these terms is important for interpreting the letter correctly and ensuring you meet all requirements. If you're unsure about any language in your letter, consider consulting a legal or tax professional. Navigating the determination letter process can be complex, especially for organizations with unique circumstances. Legal and tax professionals can provide valuable guidance, help prepare applications, and interpret the language of determination letters. Their expertise can increase your chances of success and help you avoid costly mistakes. Many applicants make mistakes when applying for determination letters, such as incomplete forms, missing documentation, or failing to meet eligibility requirements. These errors can delay the process or result in denial. Double-checking your application and seeking professional help can minimize these risks and improve your chances of approval. The time it takes to receive a determination letter varies depending on the agency and the complexity of your application. For nonprofits, it can take several months, especially if additional information is requested. Businesses and individuals may experience shorter or longer wait times. Planning ahead and submitting a complete application can help speed up the process. Losing your determination letter can be stressful, but it's usually possible to obtain a replacement. Contact the issuing agency such as the IRS for instructions on how to request a new copy. Keep digital and physical copies in secure locations to avoid future issues. Having quick access to your determination letter can save time and prevent complications. Today, many agencies offer electronic determination letters in addition to traditional paper versions. Electronic letters are often faster to receive and easier to store. However, some situations may still require a physical copy. It's a good idea to keep both formats on hand, ensuring you're prepared for any request from donors, regulators, or partners. While determination letters are most commonly associated with the U.S. IRS, other countries may have similar processes for recognizing tax-exempt organizations or compliant retirement plans. If you operate internationally, be sure to research the requirements in each jurisdiction. Understanding local rules can help you avoid legal and financial pitfalls. Grant makers and foundations often require a copy of your determination letter before considering your application. This document proves your organization's tax-exempt status and eligibility for funding. Having your determination letter ready can streamline the grant application process and increase your chances of success. Donors want to know that their contributions are going to legitimate, tax-exempt organizations. A determination letter provides this assurance, making it easier to attract and retain donors. Displaying your determination letter on your website or in fundraising materials can boost donor confidence and support your organization's mission. Fundraising is much easier when you have a determination letter in hand. Many corporate sponsors, foundations, and government agencies require proof of tax-exempt status before providing support. The determination letter is often the first document they request, so having it readily available can make a big difference in your fundraising success. When forming partnerships with corporations, having a determination letter can be essential. Companies often require proof of tax-exempt status before entering into sponsorship or collaboration agreements. The determination letter provides this proof and helps establish trust between your organization and potential partners. During an audit, having a determination letter can be invaluable. Auditors may request to see your letter to verify your tax-exempt status or compliance with retirement plan regulations. Keeping your determination letter organized and accessible can help audits go smoothly and prevent unnecessary complications. If your organization undergoes significant changes such as a merger, name change, or major shift in activities, you may need to update or renew your determination letter. Contact the issuing agency for guidance on the process. Keeping your letter current ensures that you remain in good standing and continue to enjoy its benefits. Failing to comply with the requirements outlined in your determination letter can have serious consequences. These may include loss of tax-exempt status, financial penalties, or legal action. It's essential to understand your obligations and take steps to remain compliant at all times. Good record keeping is key to managing your determination letter. Store both digital and physical copies in secure, easily accessible locations. Keep track of any correspondence with the issuing agency and document any changes that could affect your status. Organized records make it easier to respond to audits, renewals, or donor requests. It's important to distinguish determination letters from other official documents, such as licenses, permits, or certificates. While all these documents serve as proof of compliance or status, a determination letter specifically reflects an agency's decision on a particular application or request. Understanding this distinction can help you provide the right documentation when needed. During mergers or acquisitions, determination letters play a critical role. The acquiring organization will want to verify the tax-exempt status or compliance of the entity being acquired. Having a current determination letter can facilitate the transaction and ensure a smooth transition for both parties. For nonprofits, IRS Forms 1023 and 1024 are the primary applications for tax-exempt status. Completing these forms accurately is essential for receiving a favorable determination letter. The forms require detailed information about your organization's structure, activities, and finances. Taking the time to prepare a thorough application can increase your chances of approval. Businesses seeking determination letters for retirement plans typically use IRS Form 5300. This form collects information about the plan's structure and compliance with tax laws. Submitting a complete and accurate Form 5300 is crucial for obtaining a determination letter that protects your plan and its participants. Let's visualize the determination letter process. It starts with submitting an application, followed by agency review, possible requests for more information, and finally, the issuance of the determination letter. Each step is important, and missing information can delay or derail the process. This schematic will help you see the flow from start to finish. Now, let's break down the key elements found in a typical determination letter. These include the applicant's name, the agency's decision, the effective date, and any conditions or limitations. This schematic will help you identify what to look for when you receive your own letter. Maintaining compliance after receiving a determination letter is essential. This schematic outlines the ongoing steps, annual filings, regular audits, and updating documents as needed. Following these steps helps ensure your determination letter remains valid and your organization stays in good standing. If an organization fails to comply with requirements, the agency may revoke its determination letter. This schematic shows the revocation process, notification, opportunity to appeal, and final decision. Understanding this process can help you respond quickly if issues arise. If your determination letter application is denied, you can appeal. This schematic illustrates the appeal process, submit additional information, agency review, and final decision. Knowing these steps can help you prepare a strong appeal and increase your chances of success. Good record keeping is vital for managing your determination letter. This schematic highlights best practices, secure storage, regular backups, and easy access for audits or donor requests. Following these steps can help you avoid problems and stay organized. In summary, determination letters are powerful documents that can open doors for nonprofits, businesses, and individuals. They provide legal and financial proof of status, support fundraising and compliance, and help build trust with donors and partners. Understanding how determination letters work and how to maintain them can make a significant difference in your organization's success. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your determination letter safe and up to date.